Hello friends, welcome to the Python video tutorial series part 1, Introduction to the Python and how to set up Python environment on Windows. Throughout this course, you will learn all the basics to advanced concepts using real life examples and use cases. Course outline can be seen on the screen. We will cover all these concepts using real life problems and use cases. In this video tutorial series, we will discuss why we are going to use Python when there is a big list of programming and development languages and technologies, what we can do or what we can do with Python, what others are doing with Python, and how we are going to do all this development, and we will set up Python environment in Windows. Before going more further, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications about the latest updates and latest video tutorials. First of all, we will discuss why Python. Why? Because Python is ideal first programming language to learn and easy to master than other languages such as C, C++, Java and other languages. And big companies like Google, Facebook, Dropbox and Quora, Reddit uses it. Python apps works on Windows, Mac, Linux. It is a cross-platform application. Python can execute and run code line by line and provide feedback and execution results. It is an interpreted language. Here interpreted means the code you write is first compiled into the bytecode and then executed. Python is an object-oriented programming language and also a portable language. Python is used for task automation, web crawling, sending emails in bulk, brute force, login forms, and doing other bulk tasks. Most of the app backends are built for better performance in Python, fast execution, and with less code. Python is also a AI language. It is used for big data, big library, and data collections, data processing, and data visualization and analyzations. Python can do complex computations and calculations. Desktop apps can also be developed in Python. For example, Dropbox is developed in Python. This is how we are going to set up environment for development, and there is a list of tools that can be used for Python development. But the recommended one is Python IDEL because it is the most updated and stable. First of all, download Python 3.0 from the official website. The link is given in the description and install the Python by following the setup guide as. Please subscribe to my channel if video was helpful to you and leave a comment about the video.